points of how to sell a house. The reason I went with Liz Dawes Realty was hers was a different approach. Not like I've heard about before, which was kind of confusing in the beginning until she explained it to me about 10 times. Then I understood what she was looking to do.
Furniture around, she moved things around, and it definitely looked better. The house definitely looked better. She really helped out, she cares, she's loving. Love my realtor. Go Liz. Caring, she's very caring, and will help you out in any which way she can.
I'm glad she told me to do all the
Very, very caring.
No, actually, she's very aggressive. That's what sold me on Liz. She's got 2 speeds, fast and faster. She don't stop.
I think Liz has become more of a friend, and I hope that once we're settled, the family can come and we can have dinner, we can have a drink. She's helped me with a lot of interior decorating, and I would recommend Dawes very, very highly.
I think Liz really went beyond what any realtor would do for a client. I mean, my wife was sick, she made her drinks, brought a blender over. All things from health food had to be organic or we wouldn't drink it. And it's just a lot, just coming to our house and helping us decorate it. I would never, I highly recommend her. Matter of fact, I have a neighbor across the street from the house, which she sold for us, and he's got his card, her card. We sold the house in the first half hour of the open house. I mean, you can't get better than that.